Want to take your Tesla to the next level? Stick around as we reveal the must-have accessories you don't want to miss. Car tire valve stem caps for Tesla. Model 3 SXY accessories. Tesla touchscreen car phone, holder mount. Center console organizer tray. Tesla keycard holder with AirTag slot. Two-pack car seat hooks for Tesla Model Y, Model 3 accessories. Thank you for watching. Got a car model or content idea in mind? Let me know in the comments below, and it might be featured in my next video.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.